Gold price is pretty flat on Monday. Phil, Greece secures this debt deal. So what's happening to gold? You'd think it'd be much higher by this point.
Yeah, no, I think that investors are looking for some other flavor. You're seeing, some of the riskier assets like the energy is really getting a good boost. The same thing with the equities. The equities are pushing back up against that 1350 resistance on the S&P. So a lot of this is gold's not responding properly. It had a bit of a washout on Friday. We've got a small boost going on today, but I think investors are lightening up on their gold position, thinking that maybe it had run its course again until it provides some kind of key technical breakout or breakdown before they start getting back into it.
Now, over the last 2 weeks, we've seen speculative traders grow their long positions by like 34,000 contracts, a pretty significant amount here. Is that a risk, though, for a short-term sell-off if something goes wrong?
Yeah, I think so. If we take out that 1705 area, I think 1703 was a bit of a double bottom. And then also, if we go any lower than that, we're going to start coming back into when that Fed made that interest rate, decision on when they were going to raise rates, not till 2014. We'll start breaking down into that move higher. So I think that anything below 1700, I think we're going back down to the 50 and the 200-day moving average, which is 1660. So you got to watch out below there.
And what about the upside? Are we still looking at 1750? Is that key level?
1755. If we close above there, I think that it's completely back on. I think that investors have to get longer at that point and look for an aggressive move up.
What do you think is going to move it? What's going to be the catalyst this week? I mean, is a Greece hard default off the table now?
Yeah, well, I think that's a problem. I think that if you start seeing additional talks of QE or that plan's not big enough for Greece, then I think that we'll start moving higher up.
And then what would be a catalyst to the downside, perhaps?
Still liquidation right now. If you see traders starting to get frustrated, they get bored, the volume gets light, they'll start pulling out, going into other assets.
And last question, what should you do right now? Should you be flat?
No, you should still maintain some position on, but I would be, ready to add at 1705 or add on a breakout above 1750.
All right, thanks, Phil. I appreciate it. So gold traders got to be nimble and flexible out there. Thanks so much.